Okay, simplify 2a cubed b times 5a squared b cubed. No problem. 2 times 5 is 10. A cubed times a squared. Right. A cubed times a squared is a to the power of 3 plus 2, which is a to the power of 5. B times b cubed. Well, b is the same as b to the power of 1. So b to the 1 times b to the 3 is b to the 1 plus 3, which is b to the 4. So that's it. 10, a to the 5, b to the 4. We used this rule for this answer. If you have some number to the power of, well, not some number, some variable to the power of some number times same variable to the power of some number, then that is equal to x to the a plus b. Okay? That's a law that you need to know. If you're multiplying them, then you add them. So x to the a times x to the b is x to the a plus b. And in this case, we had a to the 3 times a to the 2. So using this law, it was a to the 3 plus 2, which is 5. Okay. B, make y the subject. Okay, we have to isolate y. Now, this whole thing is under a square root sign at the moment. So we can't move the 5 over straight away because it's sort of locked down by that square root. It's being square rooted. So first we have to deal with the square root sign. How do we do that? To get rid of that, the opposite of square root is squaring. So we square both sides. So we square that and we square that. P bracket squared is the same as p squared. Therefore, p squared equals something square rooted, all squared, is just the something. So x plus y over 5, because square root is the opposite of squaring. Okay, now we can move the 5. We've unlocked it. So bring the 5 up here. How do we do that? We multiply both sides by 5. Okay, whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. You can do whatever you like to one side of an equation, as long as you do it to the other. Times 5 divided by 5, they cancel. Therefore, 5 times p squared is 5p squared equals, we're just left with, if you like, we said that 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 5 once. So it's like x plus y all times 1 on the top, all divided by 1. So it's just x plus y. Okay. Right, make y the subject. So we've got to get the x over here. So we subtract x from both sides. Plus x minus x is 0. Therefore, 5p squared minus x is equal to y. Done it. And just for neatness, present your final answer as y equals 5p squared minus x. There it is.